Fluent English practice.
Hello, everyone. My name is Anna. Today, I want to tell you about a very special experience, my trip to Hawaii. In this lesson, you will hear a simple travel story. You will learn new travel words and easy sentences so you can talk about your own trips. I will speak slowly and clearly. You can listen carefully and repeat after me. Step by step, your English will improve. Are you ready? Let's begin. Last summer, I traveled to Hawaii with my family. Before the trip, I felt very excited. Hawaii is a beautiful place with beaches, mountains, and warm weather. We packed our bags carefully. I packed clothes, a hat, sandals, and sunscreen. I also packed my camera because I wanted to take many photos. The night before the trip, I could not sleep well. I was too excited. Early in the morning, we went to the airport. The airport was big and busy. Many people were waiting for their flights. We checked in our bags and showed our tickets. After that, we went through security and waited at the gate. When our flight was ready, we got on the airplane. I sat near the window. I like window seats because I enjoy looking outside. The airplane took off slowly. Soon, we were flying above the clouds. The clouds looked soft and white, like cotton. During the flight, I watched a movie, listened to music, and drank some juice. After many hours, the captain said, "We are arriving in Hawaii." I felt very happy. When we arrived, the air felt warm and fresh. The sky was blue and the sun was bright. At the airport, a friendly woman gave us flower necklaces. They are called leis. People smiled and said, "Aloha." Aloha means hello, goodbye, and love. I felt welcome right away. We stayed in a hotel near the beach. Our room was clean and bright. From the window, we could see the ocean. At night, I could hear the sound of the waves. It was calm and relaxing. The next morning, we went to the beach. The sand was soft and white. The water was clear and blue. I took off my shoes and walked on the sand. The water was warm. I put my feet in and smiled. We swam in the ocean and relaxed under the sun. I wore a hat and used sunscreen to protect my skin. In Hawaii, we did many fun activities. One day, we tried snorkeling. I wore a mask and looked under the water. I saw colorful fish swimming near the rocks. Another day, we went on a boat trip. The ocean was calm. The wind felt nice on my face. We were lucky and saw dolphins swimming nearby. Hawaii has beautiful nature. We visited green mountains and tall waterfalls. We walked on small paths and took many photos. The air was clean and the views were amazing. I felt peaceful and happy. The food in Hawaii was delicious. I tried fresh fruit like pineapple and mango. We also ate fish, rice, and local dishes. Everything tasted fresh and healthy. One evening, we went to a traditional dinner. There was music and dancing. The dancers wore colorful clothes. The music was lively and full of energy. In the evening, we walked along the beach. The sky turned orange and pink. The sunset was beautiful. We sat quietly and watched the sun go down. I felt calm and thankful for this special trip. We visited small shops and bought souvenirs. I bought postcards and a small gift for my family. The people in Hawaii were kind and friendly. They smiled and talked politely. I enjoyed meeting new people and learning about their culture. After many wonderful days, it was time to go home. I felt a little sad, but also very happy. I packed my bag and checked my photos. I had many beautiful memories. My trip to Hawaii was relaxing and exciting. I learned new things, saw beautiful places, and spent time with my family. Travel helps us learn and feel grateful.